Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivani Talreja. In this video, we will learn about propositional logic in Python. So, let's get started. Firstly, we have to import logic.py file in our code. The link to the logic.py file is given in my description box. I had already saved it. We have to run this module. This will include all the functions that are present in the logic.py library. Now let's create some propositions. So we are creating P, Q and R. Vars method is used to create propositions and it takes only string as its parameter. Let's create P, Q and R. So it's created. Now let's check P. P is a proposition. Similarly check Q and R. As we have created three propositions P, Q and R, now we can work on the formulas. So here is the formula. This operator is for or, this is for and this is for not, and this operator is for implies that. In Python, we cannot use the original operators for propositional logic, so we have overwritten them and all that operators are present in the logic.py library. So let's see what is formula 1. It is a proposition. These are the original operators for the propositional logic. This one is for or, this is for and this is for not, and this is for implies that. We can also print the truth table for the formula 1. For that we have to write the command formula.print _truth table parenthesis. Let's run this. We can see the truth table of the formula 1. Let's check the tautology for the formula 1. Tautology means if all the outputs or logics of the truth table turns out to be true, then it is known as tautology. Wait. It gives an error. Let's run it again. We have given the extra space in starting. Okay, its tautology is true because we can see that all the logics turns out to be true. Similarly, let's create some more formulas. Formula 2. This formula is created by and implies that operator. Let's print its truth table. Formula 2. Let's check its tautology. We are checking the tautology for the formula 2. It is false. As we can see that there is a false in the output, that's why its tautology is false. Let's work on another formula. Formula 3, which is P implies that Q implies that R. Let's print the truth table for the formula 3. And find its tautology. Its tautology would be false because one false is coming in the output. Let's check it. Sorry. Formula 3. Its tautology is false. We can also check that these two formulas are equivalent to each other or not. For that we have to write formula 2 equal to operator formula 3. It is true because these two tables are logically equivalent to each other. We can also check this for formula 1 and for formula 2. It comes false because formula 1 is not logically equivalent to formula 2. Let's restart the shell because this is not properly visible. Similarly, we can work on more propositions like P and operator Q. It is a proposition P and Q. Let's print its truth table. P and Q. Similarly, we can run truth table for P or Q. It is also a proposition. This operator is an original operator for the OR. Let's print truth table for this. This is the truth table for P or Q. AND operator gives true as an output when both the inputs are true, and OR operator gives true as an output when one of the input is true. This is a NOT of P. It's a proposition. Let's print the truth table for NOT of P. We can see that it's a contradiction. When P is true, NOT of P is false, and when P is false, NOT of P is true. We can also do this for implies operator. This operator is for P implies to Q. We can also print a truth table for this. P implies to Q. And this operator for is P implied to Q. We can also print truth table for this also. P implied to Q. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.